lillahi wa inna ilaihi raji'un.
Thursday, June the 3rd, 2010, at 12:15 local time, one of the most finest and most prominent citizens of Aceh eventually returned to his destiny forever, the immortal life hereafter. His Highness Wali Nanggro, Dr. Tiro Hasan Muhammad, passed away at the age of 85 after undergoing intensive medical treatment in ICCU at Zainal Abidin General Hospital in Banda Aceh. This great loss to the people of Aceh left deep grief, and he was considered and recognized as the founder of the Free Aceh movement. Dr. Tiro Hasan Muhammad was born in Tanjung Bungeng, Pidia, on September 25th, 1925. And he was the great-grandson of the Aceh heroic warrior and the first Wali Nanggro, Tengku Tiro Muhammad Saman. His Highness Wali Nanggro had started a long episode of Aceh political and armed conflict, but today everything has eventually come to an end. Peaceful solution has occurred in the veranda of Mecca, Aceh, after the signing of the Memorandum of Agreement (MOU) between Free Aceh Movement and the Government of Indonesia on August 15, 2005 in Helsinki, Finland.
Let's start like this.
This finest moment in Aceh history is obviously symbiotic with His Highness Wali Nanggro's political view and standpoints throughout his lifetime. A new era of Aceh, far apart from any conflict nuances, has begun to offer endlessly dignified peace and prosperity in the far west region of the state of Indonesia. This unexpected change is a result from full commitment by every party involved to safeguard the sustainable peace process through comprehensive implementation of every single point in the agreement, which requires true respect, transparency, and kind intention from everyone concerned. Aceh today is ready enough to empower and strengthen itself from the underdeveloped condition and poverty towards a more developed province with all its prosperity and dignity. This is the legacy and a souvenir brought along by His Highness Wali Nanggro to all the people throughout the end of his lifetime. As a symbol of the leader of the people of Aceh, His Highness Tengku di Tiro Hasan Muhammad has been an integral part of the dynamism and romance of the colorful history of the political struggle that had finally brought along prosperity and self-dependence to the people of Aceh henceforth. Today, we have lost one of the most prominent leaders of Aceh. With our full compliments and tribute to His Highness Wali Nanggro, we, the great grandson of the ancestors, give a pledge to fulfill a dream and promise to safeguard the simple message from your daily account, enhance and sustain the peace of Aceh. Even I die tomorrow, the peace must be carried on. We send all our prayers to you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you for all your kindness and generosity.
Mari kita nyo, budaya kita nyo, rezeki kita nyo, pemimpin kampung Aceh yang punya diabadi. Karena Allah SWT. Maknanya pemimpin kita nyo, dan tinggal kita nyo. Anak tertulis sejarah kita nyo, anak tertulis pahlawan kita nyo, dan anak tertulis tak atur pakiban